It's Trina Gunzel, and this is day 3 of the Play-Doh challenge that Abby and I are doing together. Thank you, Play-Doh. We love these products, and you know, just having some time. What I'm doing with Abby is showing her how to use Play-Doh, and if you have any kids who need help strengthening their writing abilities, using clay or Play-Doh really strengthens those hand muscles. So the super short one today for kind of a Christmas and July theme is to take 2 colors. I'm actually using pink and green, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple candy cane out of these. So all you need to do is roll the Play-Doh, and this is an awesome way to strengthen those hand muscles. Like I said, for little ones who need help for writing. So I'm just going to roll this out, and I'm making a long green too.
Mom, we actually do have white.
Ooh, well, maybe kids can use that. You can use white if you want. I'm making one green, long one. It kind of looks like a snake. Right?
Oh, it could be like a.
Yeah.
It could be like a sour apple.
Ooh, that sounds
cinnamon.
Good. Sour apple cinnamon. Okay, but this is not for eating. Okay, Play-Doh is not to eat. It's to create. It's to create. So here we go. I have these 2 colors, and all I'm going to do, when you have them both about the same length, all you need to do is we're going to just start on one end. Start just twisting it. Hold one side, twist the opposite side, and how cool is that? It just made a band of the green and pink together. I'm going to tighten it up a little bit, and as soon as I have my twisted band, you can use this also if you want to combine colors to do like party streamers for a birthday party. Woo, Abby, this is making a big candy cane. What do you think? I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna shape it. You want your candy cane to be that direction? And boom, there you have it. The simple candy cane challenge. Enjoy. Maybe you want to write a fun story about your Christmas in July and whatever sweet treat you want to make. But this is the candy cane challenge.
Bye.
Day 3. Bye.